So Doogee will be launching the Blade GT Ultra very soon, and this device would have LED lights at its back, similar to the Unihertz Luna and the Nothing Phone 1. It's kind of nice, guys. Very nice for a rugged device. So this makes it different from the Unihertz Luna and the Nothing Phone 1. As for its release date, well, we don't know that yet, but hopefully it launches before the end of the year. And as regarding its top specs, the device is expected to have a 100MP main camera and a 32MP front-facing camera. The phone will also pack a 5500 mAh battery. This means that the device will be very thin, and it has been confirmed by its 10.5mm thickness. So it's literally going to be one of the thinnest rugged phones. The phone is going to be powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 7300 octa-core 4nm processor paired with 16GB RAM and 512GB internal storage. It's going to be rated IP68 and IP69k. It's also going to be military grade standard 810H certified. The device would ship with the latest Android 14, and it's going to be a stock version. So these are just some of the details of the upcoming Blade GT Ultra. Now, while this device may be a copy of the Nothing Phone 1 because of its design and LED lights at its back or at its rear, it's still a rugged phone with really nice specs. Of course, its full details are not available yet. Once I get those, I'll definitely update you guys. Alright guys, that's it for the update. What do you guys think? Feel free to share your thoughts in the comment section below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next update. Peace out.